Hey guys, welcome to another edition of GamingNight. I got another pickup for you today. Um, so without further ado, let's get into this. So we'll get into it. So we've got Cuphead, fast rolling dice game. That's the back, front of the box. That's the back of the box, and this is a 1 to 4 cooperative dice game. So anywho, I don't know how much of this I'll be able to show because I know it's got spoilers. So I'll show what I can. Oh my goodness, is it still? Okay, I thought they had the sides taped. Okay. Wasn't coming up. It says 2 to 4, but I know it can be played solo. Alrighty. So we got a whole bunch of chits here. Hit points, coins, and dodges, parries, symbols, I believe that those are. So I play the game itself. Then we have the instruction manual. You can play solo. So it's pretty much the rules there. Then we got the Cuphead guy. Got Miss Chalice. You got Mugman. And you got the Elder Kettle. So they all have like the basic cards. Then we got the save sheet here. Okay, hold on. Then we got the wallet cards, which are one-time use cards that do different things for you. Then we have the board for the draw and discards, and then you place the cards on here. And then we got the hit point tracker, which pretty well nicely goes all the way up to what goes to 20. So 20 is the maximum health that a boss can have. Then we get some nice chunky dice. They're etched in, easy to read. And then you got different colors based on which character you use, but it doesn't. It's just for aesthetics. There's really no different. They all have the same symbols on them. And then we have the decks. There's the boss deck 1, boss deck 2, boss deck 3, boss deck 4. 4 is pretty heavy. Box 5 is medium weight. box 6 is here. And this one's really heavy. Box 7, very heavy. And then box 8. So those are those. I'll get to show you a little bit of box 1 because I can show that one. That's the introductory one anyways. And then we got, oh, okay. So that's, I guess, something. I don't know if I was supposed to see that or not. Okay. That was on the top. So I don't know. So we've got Super Art Envelope 1. Open this envelope if all players complete a battle with 3 parry tokens each. So that you get to open up that one. US, open this envelope if all players complete a battle with full health. Super Art Envelope, open this envelope if you have earned at least 3 A+ scores. So that's gonna be difficult. And then this one says open this envelope if you earn an A+ on an aeroplane level, which that's probably gonna be hard to do too. So that's what's in this box. And so I can at least show you guys what one of the boxes is. This is the box deck 1. So hold on one second. Okay, so you have little instructions here. This one says the root pack. And then you got the cards here. This says stop. Yeah, so they tell you. So that's all I can actually share with you guys. So I will do a solo playthrough of this. And I'll probably play a few of the boxes. And then I might play them all. I don't know, depending if I can get through them all. And I'll put the other ones as spoilers, so there'll be links if you want to see them. If you don't want to be spoiled, then you don't have to look at the decks. So there'll be episodes that I'm going to be putting up, and if once they get beyond the first deck, it'll be hidden information and only watchable if you want to watch it. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time.